Hi, this is season 3 of Raga Chords. My name is Karthik Sekran and today we'll talk about Vasantha. Welcome to my channel. This is your one-stop solution for everything to do with Indian classical music. So make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and turn on all notifications so that you don't miss any of my future videos. Let's go. Now Vasantha is a Carnatic raga and it is derived from the parent Sooryakantham. Sooryakantham is straightforward. You take Shankarabharanam or the major scale or Bilaval and just flatten the re. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Just the re is flat compared to Shankarabharanam. Now Vasantha is a Vakra Audava Shadava raga derived from Sooryakantham. You already know what Audava means. It means 5 unique notes. Shadava means 6 unique notes. So what does the name say? It says Vakra Audava Shadava, which means the Aarohanam is Audava, but it is also Vakra. It has some zigzag happening. And the Avarohanam is Shadava, means it has 6 notes. So let's check out the Aarohanam and Avarohanam of Vasantha. Samagama, that's the Vakra nature. Samagama dha ni sa. Avarohanam. Sa ni dha ma ga re sa. So the re shows up only in the Avarohanam, not in the Aarohanam. So let's jump straight to the chords for Vasantha. So I'm going to be on the key of C as usual. Now let's try and play Sooryakantham first. Sooryakantham is the Sampurna Raga, the parent that Vasantha is derived from. The only difference between Sooryakantham and Shankarabharanam or the major scale is that the re is flat. So major scale is here, Bilaval, Shankarabharanam. You just take the re and flatten it. So that is Sooryakantham. That is Sooryakantham. Now Vasantha is derived from Sooryakantham and you know that Vasantha is not a Sampurna Raga. So it is safe to expect that we'll probably not have too many chord options when it comes to Vasantha. So let's look at Sooryakantham chords first. Let's have a quick look at that. C major, D flat augmented, E minor, F major. This is a G flat 5, okay, this is a G major, just the 5th is flat. I really don't see any use for this chord. This is different from a G diminished, by the way. That's a G diminished. G diminished is derived from a minor chord. This is a major chord with a flat 5, so it's a G flat 5. Okay, then we come to an A minor. Now the interesting thing to note is, because this note is also there, if you play this, that's an A major, right? So that feel is there in Sooryakantham Vasantha. A minor, A major, both of them are there, and that is something very interesting. And then next comes, you have the Ni, Re and the Ma. Now this is not really a chord that we would use. It's actually part of a C sharp 7th. Okay, C sharp is, if I play it here, C sharp is this. Okay, this note comes in C sharp and C sharp 7 is, that is the note. We are playing it without this. Okay, I would rather not use this, but if you find a use for this chord, go ahead. But in my opinion, I don't think we need that chord for compositions in Sooryakantham or Vasantha. So those are the chords for Sooryakantham. Now let's check out Vasantha. Now Vasantha doesn't have the pa, so you see a lot of chords are already getting eliminated. Okay, so sa ma ga ma dha ni sa sa ni dha ma ga re sa. That is Vasantha. Now sa ma ga ma dha. I can't play the pa because there is no pa in Vasantha. So let me play sa ga dha. This is a A minor. This is the first inversion of A minor. A minor is this. This is the first inversion of A minor. The third is in the bass. Okay. Now if I switch these two keys, instead of playing this, if I play this, that's an F major, and this is second inversion of F major, A minor, F major. But if you notice, sa ma ga ma dha, almost the entire Aarohanam is getting covered in just these two chords. Just the ni is something that we need to figure out, right? So sa ma ga ma dha ni sa, back to the sa, right? So you can literally sing the Aarohanam if you don't spend too much time on the ni. Sa ma ga ma ga, sa ma ga ma da ni sa, sa ni da ma ga re. That's the A major coming in, because the re, the komal re or the shuddha rishabham is there. Okay, re sa. So for sa, you will have to play either a F major or a A minor, right? So which are not ideal solutions for like root positions or to like resolve something. So now this is where you start borrowing chords from Sooryakantham, but let's see. Sa ma ga ma da ni sa. It sounds nice, but the major chord feel, because of the pa, it's taking me away from the Vasantha feel. So I would rather use a C5, which is very neutral. It is neither major nor minor, right? It is very neutral. So let's try and sing the Aarohan and Avarohan one more time. Sa ma ga ma da ni sa, sa ni da ma ga re sa, right? So the C5 sounds better when I resolve it back to the lower sa. The higher sa was not that great. So in essence, for Vasantha, we are done with 4 chords, which are like an F major and A minor and A major and a C5. C5 to kind of ground you. So film song examples, not many songs will come to mind. Bollywood, I cannot think of any songs, but there is a great song by A.R. Rahman from a Rajinikanth movie called Padayappa, and this song is called Minsara Puve. The movie is fantastic, music is amazing, it was a super hit movie and the songs are just mind-blowing. So this one, Minsara Puve. Minsara Puve. Now see, so the C5 also doesn't quite fit in, okay, and if I play the F major or the A minor, Minsara Puve, it sounds nice, but the original song, you will notice that it's actually a bass line that carries the song, and the bass just goes something like that with mridangam playing on top. It's a brilliant piece. Minsara Puve, pen puve, me tindave na 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 na, and then it goes na 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 E minor, A major, you see, you already know it's a super hit song. So let's do a quick improv. I'm just going to take a leaf out of A.R. Rahman's book and play some rhythmic stuff. Let's see what best we can do. Oh, wow, 7/8. I did not expect that. Okay. Sa ma ga ma da ni sa, sa ni da ma ga re sa, sa ma ga ma da ni sa, sa ni da ma ga re sa. Na 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 ra, na 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 ta na 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 na. So that was Vasantha. It's a beautiful raga, isn't it? The most interesting thing that I find about Vasantha is the use of A minor and A major, and that gives a very interesting feel to the raga. If you found this information useful, don't forget to like this video and share it. Subscribe to my channel and switch on all notifications so that you get all my future videos. I hope this video helps you understand Vasantha at a deeper level. As always, make sure you experiment with music because that's where the real fun is. I'll see you in the next episode.